My name is Mike Puckett with Data Tech. Welcome to another edition of the Cyber Advisor. I am here with Mike Ponticello. Thanks for coming, Mike.
Welcome.
Why don't you tell me a little bit about your role here at Data Tech?
I am the general manager here at Data Tech, and I run the VMS division, which is our managed services division.
Mm-hmm. And within that department, what basically is your department responsible for?
We are responsible for all the managed IT services. That's the proactive monitoring of servers, backups, workstations, you name it. We do SNMP monitoring, so we can monitor printers, we can monitor switches, routers, all that sort of thing. It's just a proactive approach to IT in general. It's a virtual technician is what we like to call it.
Sure, okay. So your department sets up the virtualization of the monitoring and of all of our customers, whether they're servers or workstations.
Correct.
Okay, so how many people are in that department?
Currently we have 4 in the department. However, it really is a cross-platform, so all our technicians are exposed to it. All our technicians utilize it.
Okay.
As far as remoting into clients' PCs and that sort of thing, we use it for information to tell us, what's in startup folders. It also cross-references over to our CRM package, so we can see at a glance what computers are, what their names are, all again, anything IT related with a computer.
Okay. So you have 4 people in your department. Are they all pretty much on the same level? Do you have different level technicians?
We have different level technicians. Brian Viscount, who is right now the senior engineer, he does all the Wizard of Oz behind the scenes things that you don't see, whereas we have another gentleman, Asif Chan, who does the monitoring and that sort of thing. And then we just have your ancillary guys that are just doing the day-to-day operations.
Now these guys mainly in-house, they're not technicians that go out?
Nope, they are in-house technicians. I mean, they're not chained to their desk. If we need them to go out, we'll send them out. But for the most part, we can do everything that we do remotely.
Okay. What proactive measures are they doing, to ensure that our customers have maximum uptime?
Well, what we do is everything that we do, maintenance scripts, all that sort of thing is done overnight. It's during the nighttime hours when clients are closed. So things that a technician would actually sit down at a computer and do, things like updating Adobe, things like updating Flash, Java, all that sort of thing, cleaning it up, optimizing the computers, that sort of thing. It's all done through scripting and automated through the night hours. Again, it's a virtual technician, so it kind of does all that maintenance remediation while clients, for the most part, are home sleeping.
Right.
That way, it does patch management, your Microsoft patch management. It does all that sort of thing. That way, your computers are always fresh and they're always running, at optimum performance. We've done a lot of research, and most managed services companies pretty much just use it for monitoring and patch management, meaning they're going to patch your computers with Microsoft updates. They're going to monitor when your systems go down and that sort of thing. We're always looking for ways to make things better. We're looking for ways to break computers and then fix them. We're always proactively looking ahead and trying to be ahead of everybody else. And that fact that a virus comes out, we're going to create a script that will fix it before it ever hits your computer. So it's more of we try to stay one step ahead of everybody else. The scripting that we do, again, just the Java updates, the maintenance and that sort of thing. Most managed services IT don't really go that deep into it. They just monitor and patch your machines. That's pretty much it.
Now, are we using more sophisticated software than most MSPs are using?
I don't think we're really using anything more sophisticated than anybody else. I just think we leverage what's actually available. The platforms that we use are very extensive, and there's so many different things that can be done with it. So just the basic out of the box stuff is what most people use. Again, we just try to go further. We want to stay cutting edge and just above everybody else.
Now, within your department that you manage, what types of upgrades or improvements are being made or are going to be made? Is there any outlook on that?
In the division itself?
Yeah.
Well, we actually right now we're in the process of doing some R&D on some other platforms other than what we're using. So the offering that we're using now is not to say it will be the only one. We're always looking for the next best thing out there. We still yet to find it. What we are using seems to be pretty much the top of the line of the industry. That, in addition to, again, we're just always looking for new ways to, stay ahead of everybody else and to make the IT industry better, to make, to make our clients happier, that sort of thing.
How long have you been here with Data Tech?
I have been here going on 12 years now.
12 years.
12 years next month.
And so you've seen a lot of changes.
I have seen it all. I've been doing this since 1989. I know when I came to Data Tech, we were in a little strip mall on Dale Mabry. I think you were there at that time.
Yeah, I think I was.
Yep, you were there at that time. I've stayed with the company the entire time. I know you went off and did some other things and loved us so much, came back. But so I've seen us go through quite a bit of change since I started, and we're evolving with the industry.
Yeah.
Definitely. Data Tech is evolving with the industry.
Right. Yep. But you've been here 12 years. Tell me what you love so much that you've been here for 12 years.
The endless possibilities of where this industry is going, where it can take us. The data, everything is different every day. It's not mundane. You come here and there's a new challenge every day. I've been doing this since 1989. I'm dating myself, but I've been doing this since 1989. And I'm learning something new every day. So you're never ever going to know everything. You're always going to find new challenges, which keeps the industry exciting. It keeps my job exciting. And I can truly say that after 12 years, I still love getting up every morning and coming here to work. I've seen the potential that Data Tech has had since I came here, and I see the potential and the future of this company just increasing and getting better and better. So I plan on being here until they throw me out the door.
Let's hope that doesn't happen. Well, I appreciate your time, and we look forward to another year here at Data Tech and some new growth.
Always.
And thank you for joining us for another edition of Cyber Advisor. And until next time, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.